that was...
Whoa.
Woo! Sorry, Dad.
It's okay. What?
Is that what happens when people are?
Yeah.
Oh no, Dad, you didn't have anything on you, did you?
No.
Your phone was in the thing?
Yeah.
Okay, I can get back up. I got it.
Okay, you got it?
Yeah.
Like, no. Oh, awesome. Sorry.
Fire overcorrected!
Okay, I'm going to shut it off,
Yeah.
and you just grab it when we come over.
Yep. I've spent more time in the ocean today than I have in like 2 years. Wait till we tell Mom.
Yeah.
Be like, yeah, we just threw an Austin off.
I got the thing level, and I threw Austin off. Okay, pull the bar down. Pull the bar down. There's a bar on the back that you can step on. Pull it down so you can step on it. Yeah, if you turn against the wave, it'll roll you over.
I was wondering why turning right felt so weird.
Yeah, it's not good. You got to almost stop and just kind of twirl yourself and then go.